So here I am, I'm back again to answer 3 more of your frequently asked questions. So, is it possible to get an infection from a shipment from China? Well, according to the World Health Organization and the Centers for Disease Control in the United States of America, for example, they say it's highly unlikely that you can catch this COVID-19 disease from an international shipment. And there are no reported cases of this happening, so for now I guess that's a no. Do we have any local cases of COVID-19 infection? Well, first of all, I want to tell you that the 250 Star Rapid employees and their families have certainly not had any cases. Now, after a really long period, Zhongshan City did have a case recently, and it was imported from Hubei, as the Hubei people have been starting to return to the provinces to go back to work. Almost all of the 30 or so cases we're seeing each day across the whole of China are actually imported from abroad, and most of those are actually Chinese citizens returning home. We're also aware that China is now using its huge testing capacity, without doubt the largest in the world, to go out in, looking for asymptomatic cases in the sort of hotspot communities, if you like. And they are finding a few cases each day. So China is now basically in this kind of mopping up and continued vigilance phase. And I guess what we're all waiting for really is a safe and widely available vaccine so that we can start to let our guard down. How do we ensure the safety of our workplace, our workers, and your parts? Well, since we got permission to reopen on the 21st of February, we've had a really strict disease mitigation regime here at Star Rapid, which is mandated for all companies in the whole of China, which includes the wearing of masks, washing of hands, cleaning and disinfecting the workshops and offices multiple times per day. We're also not allowed gatherings of more than 3 people at a time, and we must also eat separately. So, Star Rapid is here, we're open, we're ready to quote your projects, we're ready to make your parts, and we're trying to stay safe. And we really genuinely hope that you all stay safe as well.